this video, we will learn about the circle command in AutoCAD. The circle command can be activated with the circle button located under the Home tab in the Draw panel. The circle command has two different methods. One of them is the center radius and the other is the center diameter, used to create circles. Here, what we call the radius is, when drawing a new circle, we first set a center point. We later set the radius length over here, as you can see, and create a circle. If we have the external diameter of the circle we want to draw, we can directly set the external diameter instead of splitting it in two, and we can create a circle. We can activate the command located under the Home tab in the Draw panel by clicking here, as well as typing C into the command bar and pressing Enter to activate it. If you'd like, let's try each of them. By using the center radius method, we first click point number 1, or the center of the circle, then click point number 2, or set a radius value to create a circle. Firstly, we set a center point. Now, I can click a point by moving it with my mouse, or type 75, for example, on the keyboard and press Enter to create a circle with a radius of 75. Another method is the circle diameter method, meaning we set an external diameter. We first set a starting point. If you pay attention to the mouse, when I move it, the measurement arrow is facing upwards. A 123 dotted line is measuring the circle out to out. If I type 75 and press Enter here, the previous line was from the center of a circle to the side, meaning it made its external diameter to 150. Here, the external diameter is 75 and the circle is created. We can summarize the difference like this. In other methods, we can also use the two-point method to create a circle. Here, clicking on one point and then another point out to out, we can place a circle between two different points. Here, we can use object snap methods as well. If you want to have two circles and to use the method here, as you can see, we have a circle that intersects 2 points. In the same manner, if you want to add another line that goes through here, like for example here, and then want to draw a circle that intersects all 3 lines, we can just use these 3 lines. These 3 lines are marked as you see. I don't know the radius, I don't know the diameter. We can just create a circle that intersects all 3 of these lines. There is also the tangency method. As you know, when we draw a circle that intersects a line, we have tangency. Here, we have a method of tan radius. This means that each of these will be a step. Let's click tangent here, and a radius of 75. As you see, tangent to the bottom line, to the circle, and it has a radius of 75. If we double click on it, we can see that the radius is 75. Another method is having 3 different tangents, meaning that it intersects with 3 different points or areas. We don't know the radius. It's going to intersect this circle, and this line. As you can see, there is contact on 3 different points. There are no parametric functions here. If I want to change a circle here, or to change the shape of the line here, then it doesn't stay fixed here. It just becomes dependent on the other existing objects here, as you've seen. When 2 objects change shapes, unfortunately it doesn't move along with them. In the future, we will learn more about this in parametric commands. We can see the properties of a circle in the Properties window. When its center point is its girth, its area, etc. You can later change the radius here by typing in 100, as you can see. Or you can just change the diameter by typing in 200, but of course the radius will change too. This is how we edit its properties. In this video, we learned about the circle command in AutoCAD. We hope to see you in the next video.